In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a PDF on Payhip. We'll walk through the entire process from inside your Payhip dashboard so that by the end, you'll have a PDF product that's ready to sell and share with your audience. First, log into your Payhip account and head to your main dashboard. At the top of the page, look for the products option in the menu and click on it. This will take you to your product list where you can see anything you've already created. On the top right of this page, click on Add New Product. Payhip will now ask what kind of product you want to create. Since we're selling a PDF, choose Digital Product. You'll be taken into the product editor. The first thing you want to do is upload your actual PDF file. Click on Upload Product File. A file browser window will appear, showing the folders and files on your computer. Navigate to the location where you saved your PDF, select it, and then click Open in the bottom right of that window. Payhip will upload the file and attach it to this new product. Next, give your PDF a clear and descriptive title. Think about what would make sense to a customer who's seeing it for the first time. Then, set a price for your product. You can always adjust this later, but it's good to choose a price that reflects the value of the content inside your PDF. To make your product more attractive, add a cover image. In the editor, click Upload a Product Image. Just like before, a window will pop up so you can browse your computer. Select a relevant, high-quality image that represents your PDF and click Open. A strong cover image can really help your product stand out and look more professional. Now, scroll to the description area. Here, you can write a detailed description of what's inside your PDF, who it's for, and what benefits buyers will get. Rich text is supported, which means you can format your text with headings, bold, italics, and even bullet-style structure to make it easier to skim. Before publishing, you need to choose the visibility setting for this product. If you set it to visible, everyone can see this product in your store. If you choose invisible, only you will be able to access it. This is useful if you're still editing or not ready to launch. Unlisted means only people with the direct link can see it, and it won't show up alongside your other products in your public store. When everything looks good, scroll down and click. Add product at the bottom. The page will reload, and you should see a message that says your product has been added. If you'd like to preview what your customers will see, click on the option to view your product page. This lets you double-check the title, price, description, and cover image before you start promoting your new PDF.